Hello, I am Fahad Kabir from Pakistan. You can call me Fadi. I am in China from last 7 years. I am studying traditional Chinese medicine. Soon, China will celebrate one of its most important traditional festivals, the Mid-Autumn Festival. Today, my Chinese friends invited me to experience the Mid-Autumn Festival culture. And they also said that they want me to make mooncakes of Chinese calligraphy and painting. It really sounds fun. Let's go and find out that how we can make the mooncakes. The pastry chef said that we are going to make a type of cultural creative mooncakes with the motifs from the work of Pata Shenren, a Chinese painter and the calligrapher of the Ming dynasty. We can see that Pata Shenren is carved on it. There is a character Fu. You can see. So this is to make mooncake out of Chinese calligraphy and paintings. We did it.
Yeah.
But don't know that what it will look like after the baking. Really looking forward to it. Now it's over to the chef to help us to bake the mooncake. These are the beautiful, creative, cultural mooncakes that we made together. And they told me that across this road, there is a memorial hall of the Pata Shenran. And we want to go there and to see that these mooncakes look alike with the paintings or not. Let's go. You know, I want to find out that how similar they are.
Yeah.
So just find out. Oh, check. I got it. See. The angle.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, exactly. Even you see the whiskers, they are exactly the same. Wow, really.
这是我们的文创月饼。哎，我是八大山纪念馆馆长周小健。
This is 周小健, the curator of the Bada Shanren Memorial Hall.
这是我们做的今年做的文创月饼。
Mr. Cho just showed us the cultural creative mooncakes they launched this year. And instead of the color of black, white, and the gray used in the Chinese ink wash painting, they used the macaron colors to attract more and more young people. Almost more than 2,000 boxes of the mooncakes were sold in the short period of the 2 weeks. And the people are able to eat traditional culture. And it's so true that traditional culture can only be truly alive when it comes in our daily life.